The floods are really upsetting. We've seen on TV the devastation on our southern borders. People's lives are being upset, lives lost, property lost, and the oncoming flood of mold and other aftermaths will last for perhaps many years. But another flood is upsetting me very much. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and I couldn't sleep for thinking about the flood of toxins that is being loosed into our foods and our pharmacy products. What floods am I talking about? Things that should not be in food, things that should not be in things that you take into your body and think is medicine. I went to our local pharmacy looking for the adult baby-sized aspirin, and every product had something in it that should not be there. And I thought, this is being sold to the American public as something healthy? Aluminum lake, titanium, those are large molecule metals that the body has no use for and cannot get rid of after it's absorbed. We've known for years that aluminum tends to go into the brains of people with Alzheimer's, and many people have stopped using aluminum pans, aluminum foil, and other aluminum products. And now it's being put into people's foods, being put into the coverings that go and the colorings that go into the pills that are being sold as healthy products. And titanium, I believe it was 2011 that the National Institutes of Health published a paper that reviewed the animal research that's been done with titanium. The side effects, the results of giving titanium to animals sometimes has deathly results. DNA is changed. And even the animals that seem to have no immediate complications from it, it accumulated and caused problems later. And the FDA is at present unaware of the damage that these products may be doing in our public health. Are they causing our autism? Are they causing some of the Alzheimer's that's taking place? And not only in the products on the pharmacy shelves, but I learned that titanium is being used in foods like cottage cheese. In fact, I looked at our Kroger cottage cheese carton in our own refrigerator, and there it was, titanium in my cottage cheese. This is wrong. There is a number that you can call and complain to the Federal Food and Drug Administration about the things that are being allowed into our food chain, into our pharmaceutical products. I'll get it for you. That number is, or at least was given to me by one of the FDA officials for complaints. The citizens can call in complaints. There's another number that professionals need to use, but this complaint number for citizens is 855. If I understand, if the lady understood me correctly and gave me the correct number, 855-202-9780. I'm going to repeat that number, 855-202-9780. The flood of toxic things into our food chain and into our pharmacies is abysmal. I started to say shameful, and yet I know most of these companies are trying to do what is right and are ignorant of the damage that they may be causing our American public health. Please ask your friends to check the small print on everything they buy, and if there's aluminum lake or titanium in it, even iron, if it's absorbed and you are getting too much, will go into tissues where it should not be and will cause you problems. So those heavy metals should not be in our food chain and should not be on our pills. Now, another thing I learned is that there's something called pharmacy glaze. And according to Wikipedia, that glaze may have titanium in it. So if the ingredients, whether active or not, read the ingredient list, all of the fine print, get out your magnifying glass, read the fine print, and if it has titanium in it or aluminum lake in it, take it back to the manager and complain and tell them that you do not want that in your food, you do not want that in your pills, and ask them to file a complaint with the FDA. You'll be doing yourself and your nation a service. Thank you. Call 855-202-9780 and have a good night's sleep. God bless you. This is Evelyn from Holistic Health Education. May you help serve our nation by stopping this flood of heavy metals going into our food and pharmacy products. God bless you, and good night.